What if the total crypto market cap right now is trading in this descending, broadening wedge, and we eventually are going to break out to the upside like this pattern normally does? Guys, that basically means that right now we are seeing a low in the crypto projects all over the board, and that we might even get a rally breaking all-time highs the next time we are going to touch this resistance. Guys, this will be the topic of today's video. It is a extremely bullish video because I want to discuss a couple of things, what I'm seeing in the charts, basically go over this pattern as well. So right now we are not looking at the Bitcoin chart, we are looking at the crypto total market cap. So this is the complete market cap of crypto, that is Bitcoin and all the altcoins along with it. And as you can see right here, it looks pretty similar as to Bitcoin, little bit different as it is a descending wedge, and with Bitcoin it looks more like a flag formation, but they kind of resemble the same chart, right? Because of course Bitcoin sucks in most of the liquidity, so for sure they are going to look like each other. What we are seeing right now is that at this specific moment, a lot of people talking about a recession. And what we normally see is that when the general narrative is a recession, then most of the time we are not really seeing that playing out, right? Most people, especially the retail investors, are being caught off guard. And I'm just trying to imagine a future where I don't see crypto. And that's for me very difficult, because in the world right now, I can actually not imagine a world without Bitcoin. That would be such a crazy world, because even though we are seeing a war and there's many instability, there's only more use cases for Bitcoin and crypto. Right? If people want to flee from their countries, they want to immigrate to other countries. If you want to shove with your assets, the most easiest way to do that is with crypto. A lot of people think we actually entered the bear market, and I do understand the reasoning behind it. We are trading below some key moving average, especially the 20-week, 21-weekly EMA. But if we just zoom out right here, this is actually looking extremely bullish. So we have clearly an uptrend right here. We are consolidating at the previous all-time high. So this was basically the previous all-time high for Bitcoin. We do get a little bit of a correction since touching that level. Makes sense. Do you think we are going to break that level in one go after already seeing such a rally without too much corrections? This is kind of like a perfect U shape, right? And normally these tend to break out definitely to the upside, but it might not be in one go. Maybe needs some consolidation before we go, but maybe we are actually already closer to that point than most of us realize. We have seen a massive capitulation event. Japan have seen one of the worst stock market days, the worst since 1987. Okay, but crypto actually holds still pretty good. I mean, there were some other capitulation events that were worse than what we are seeing right now with crypto. Then when we look at the structural pattern right here, we have a potential broadening wedge that looks like this. It is a descending wedge, so it's a descending broadening formation, and generally these formations, they act as a continuation pattern. So it's very important to see from which type of trend this pattern existed, this pattern formed. So what we can see right now is that we came to this pattern from an uptrend. So we had an uptrend. We are right now in this descending broadening wedge, as you can see right here. So it is very likely that this pattern is going to function as a continuation pattern, and that we are going to see a continued breakout to the upside. And that with that breakout, because the technical target, you can measure multiple ways this target. You can say, for example, the top of the wedge, but we can also take, for example, the length of this uptrend, put it at either the support or put it at the point of breakout for the technical target of this formation. So you can already see what I'm doing right here. If we do reach this target, if we even come close to this target, it means that we are going to break above the previous all-time high. what happens with Bitcoin every single time when we are breaking that all-time high. We are going to see an acceleration in the bull market. We are going to see massive capital inflow because the confidence among investors, among the whole world, is going to increase. Why? First of all, people have a confirmation that the bull market is on because we broke the previous all-time high. Second of all, by breaking that all-time high, we will get a lot of media coverage, right? We got other things going on, the presidential election, Trump, very pro-crypto, also not that bad to have laying down in the pipelines. Regardless what you think of him, for crypto, probably it is a good sign because he will bring confidence, because he can create an investors climate that will be in the advantage of people that are in crypto. So this is all looking pretty good. And while we are seeing actually this bullish formation on Bitcoin, while most people and the news right now is bearish, talking about recession, we are seeing some other tokens like DYDX, for example. Look at this, guys. This is trading below $1. This is kind of crazy because it has been trading at so much higher levels, and we are trading basically at the lowest level this token has ever been, right? This is a decentralized exchange. This will definitely have more demand in the future. Decentralized exchanges will have more demand if you ask me. But it's just weird that in such a bull market, some altcoins are at the lowest levels ever. We have GMX right here, it's also a decentralized exchange. Look at this. This is at the lowest level that GMX has ever been. So guys, I'm hoping that you get my message, that you see what I'm seeing. And look at this deviation right here from this flag formation. Also actually pretty bullish, right? If we forget about all the rules in trading and we just look at the technical structure, we have an uptrend. And right now we are forming a flag formation. Well, we actually know that just by those two reasons, we have a flag formation normally acting as a continuation pattern. This flag formation is even a bull flag, so it is a descending flag, right? It's even called a bull flag. So we got this descending broadening wedge on the total crypto market cap. We have this bull flag on Bitcoin, and we had that last deviation right here, like a massive liquidation event. But maybe guys, that is something similar as we have seen in March 2020. Maybe we are right now right here in this bull market. Maybe we are right now right there, and we are going to go back to the all-time highs, and we are going to see this pattern playing out, breaking the resistance, going for all-time high into the end of the year. December, most of the time, very bullish month for Bitcoin and crypto. September is coming. That is not always the most bullish month, but you get the picture. I'm not talking here about a day-to-day basis pattern. I'm talking here about the structure of the market in general. So I would also love to see this bull market continue because, of course, I'm heavily invested. I'm all into Bitcoin. I'm all into altcoins. I have basically all the assets that I have are in crypto right now. So I'm really also hoping that this is going to play out. But just looking at these charts and zooming out, sometimes that's also very important. Just zoom out right here, and we might be at a very significant low, which is presenting us a very beautiful buying opportunity, which in a couple of months from now, maybe at the end of this year, will look like, wow, I should have bought right here. Guys, that was it for today's video. I'm going to make more videos. I'm especially going to focus on short videos. I've published already some shorts. Make sure to watch them. I'm going to make shorts with trade setups, with small news items, so I can make more content for you guys. Yeah, so make sure to subscribe, have the bell icon on, so you get notified whenever I upload that short. Guys, I want to wish every single one of you a beautiful day, and don't miss this bull market. We are already too long in this for it to miss, right? We can't miss it. It's just, for me, I'm really getting to this point. It is either going to be this bull market, or we're just going to be all fucking broke. Okay, guys, wish you a good day and see you on the next one. Bye bye.